Discover the perfect companion for your crafting endeavors as you venture into the world of Cricuts and die-cutting machines. Whether you're an enthusiastic beginner or a seasoned creative genius, this journey promises immense satisfaction. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best die-cut machines you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the all-new Cricut Explore 3, the game changer that ranks at number 5 in the market. Unleash your creativity like never before with this 2 times faster smart cutting machine. Prepare to be amazed as it flawlessly crafts astonishing cuts, scores, drawings, and more with jaw-dropping speed and ultimate precision. Crafting is a breeze with the Explore 3 as it effortlessly handles 100+ materials, including cardstock, vinyl decal, iron-on, and even glitter paper, cork, and bonded fabric, thanks to the included premium fine-point blade. But that's not all. This intelligent machine supports smart materials up to 12 feet, like smart vinyl, smart iron-on, smart paper sticker cardstock, and more, all without a mat, making it a clever choice for your crafting needs. Experience the ease of app-based crafting with wireless Bluetooth connectivity using the Design Space app. Simply unleash your imagination and create personalized designs on your mobile phones, laptops, or tablets. With compatibility for 6 tools, such as the Deep Point Blade and Foil Transfer tool, the possibilities are endless. All this creativity and power come at an unbeatable price of just $299. Meet the Silhouette Cameo 4, the ultimate desktop cutting evolution. With its innovative features and smart technology, this cutting machine will take your crafting projects to the next level. At number 4 on our list, the Silhouette Cameo 4 comes with a built-in roll feeder, neatly stored in a compact pull-out drawer. Say goodbye to time-consuming setup. Now you can quickly cut vinyl and heat transfer materials directly from a roll. Plus, the built-in cross cutter ensures a clean, straight-edge cut for your vinyl rolls. The Cameo 4's dual carriage with tool-type detection is a game-changer. Its ultra-smart system automatically adjusts cut settings based on the detected tool, thanks to the Tool Sensor technology and Silhouette Studio software. But that's not all. Carriage 2 of the Cameo 4 boasts additional cutting force, enabling you to cut thicker materials like a pro. With smart tangential technology, enjoy true matte-less cutting for cardstock, paper, and more without sacrificing quality. Ready to take your crafting to new heights? The Silhouette Cameo 4 is priced at just $239. Discover the Cricut Maker 3, the ultimate smart cutting machine that's here to unlock endless creativity for you. Number 3 on our list. With the power to cut over 300 different materials and compatibility with more than 13 cutting, scoring, writing, debossing, and engraving tools, this innovative machine allows you to make more than you ever dreamed possible. Experience extra-long, precise cutting for your larger projects with Cricut Smart Materials. Say goodbye to limitations as you can now cut a single image up to an impressive 12 feet or repeated cuts up to 75 feet. All without a mat in one go. But that's not all. When you register your machine, you'll receive 50 free project templates. And if you subscribe to Cricut Access, you'll enjoy unlimited use of over 300,000 images, 7,000 ready-to-make projects, 700+ fonts, and so much more. All of this can be yours for the incredible price of just $399. Introducing the impressive Brother ScanNCut, the ultimate cutting machine for all your creative projects. Ranked at number 2, this versatile tool boasts a built-in scanner, making it stand out from the rest. Transform your drawings into cut files with ease and precisely cut printed stickers without any hassle. Get ready to be amazed by the 682 built-in designs, including 100 quilting patterns and 9 fonts, providing you with limitless DIY possibilities. Take advantage of the USB port and wireless capability to add custom designs and access additional free patterns. The 5-inch touchscreen LCD display ensures a user-friendly experience when customizing and combining your projects. Say goodbye to tedious material selection. The ScanNCut DX Auto Blade and Auto Blade Holder feature true automatic material sensor technology, detecting material thickness without any manual adjustments, so you can dive straight into your creative flow. Cutting materials up to 3 mm thick, like paper, vinyl, fabric, balsa wood, chipboard, foam, and felt, becomes effortless with this brother cutting machine. All this goodness is available at an attractive price of $399. Say hello to the Cricut Explore Air 2, your ultimate crafting companion. Ranked #1 for its simplicity and versatility, this classic cutting machine brings your art and craft dreams to life, even if you're a beginner. Unleash your creativity by designing unique t-shirts, home decor, and more with ease. Crafting is a breeze with a premium fine point blade, effortlessly cutting through 100+ materials like cardstock, vinyl decal, HTV iron-on, and more. Whether it's glitter paper, cork, or infusible ink, this machine handles it all flawlessly. With its app-based crafting tool and wireless Bluetooth connectivity, you can create personalized designs using the cloud-based Design Space app. Accessible on mobile phones and laptops, it's never been easier to let your imagination run wild. Stay organized with built-in storage on top and under the bottom flap for your tools. The reusable light grip machine mat secures your materials during cutting, ensuring perfect results every time. Embark on a limitless crafting journey with the Cricut Explore Air 2, priced at $299. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.